Aslane boy, you know G, it's painful ukuthi egazi lakho kube ne-cherry some sort of a church girl, then it turn into some sort of a bitch. Ish, I wonder kwenzekeni ngo-reply, kanti kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Can somebody please tell me kwenzekeni ngo-reply, cause I still wonder kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Kanti kwenzekeni ngo-reply, esan kanti kwenzekeni. I'm still confused mapebeza kanti kwenzekeni. Used to be every nigga's crush kanti sitheni. I wonder lo ukujudile utheni. Used to be respected girl la ekhasi, mapebeza itsotsi bezihlonipha la ekhasi. Mara noma sibona isikhenga ngithi simashisa noma ubani. Intanga zethu ama-crot money konke namazayizayi. Masekukhuza wabama unqebusweni uqinisa ubuso nokhakhaya. Every homeboy makazi ukuvuka kwevoice yakhe eating of your pussy azoshaya ibray. The good girl gone bad, motherfucker this ain't right. My niggas told me ngizoboshwa for this song, but I prefer ukuboshwa liqiniso girl this ain't right. But it is the cyberbullying, fuck that nigga, this girl is tripping and akusiyo into yokukujaja nanani. Girl I'm just asking, I wonder kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Kanti kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Can somebody please tell me kwenzekeni ngo-reply, cause I still wonder kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Kanti kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Skof, you and Adelaide used to be my favorite home girls. Adelaide usasibambe ngolayini, that's why I'm proud to say she's still my favorite home girl. Dear Adelaide, qhubeka kanjalo, I'm proud of you home girl. Ngikubonile very right, I wish you the best, you deserve it all home girl. I wish you reply, I can learn a lot from you. You are a good example home girl. I pray that ingabi nomntana wentombazana ofana naye, damn that will be a curse. Ngcono ngizalo umfana oyisidakwa njengesami, ngivaye naye ematshwaleni siyowisa amakhesi. And it won't change the fact that uyisikhenke ngisho ungavula icase, cause iqiniso liyababa this song can lead into a cyberbullying case. But fuck that, angeke ngithule mina itsotsi sidlala ngawo istokfela se-AIDS. Girl I used to respect you, but trust me mungachange I can still respect you. Girl it's never too late to change, remember I used to be a piece of shit just like you. Can somebody please tell me kwenzekeni ngo-reply? I wonder kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Kanti kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Can somebody please tell me kwenzekeni ngo-reply, cause I still wonder kwenzekeni ngo-reply. Kanti kwenzekeni ngo-reply.